Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Sagittarius, for your general energy, career situation, and relationship. Sagittarius, we are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies. This is for your career situation, and this is for your relationship, guys. Sagittarius. And I have a fairy tale pick a card love reading, guys, after this general energy. So if you are interested, you can watch that, guys. So that will follow this general reading. Sagittarius. So we have Seven of Swords in reverse, Knight of Pentacles, and Ace of Cups in reverse. So with these cards in your situation, guys, Sagittarius, maybe for some of you in your career or in your personal life, there are certain things happening. Maybe you are putting in lot of efforts and you are working hard for something, but what is happening is not what you expected. So some kind of a destiny or karma, that may be the reason things are going in a particular way in your situation, guys. So maybe for some of you, you are quite worried seeing how things are going for you, guys. And maybe you are a very, what to say, a knowledgeable person. You know your goals and you know what you need to achieve in life, and you're working towards that. And you have lot of skills and talents, and maybe people come to you for suggestions or some kind of ideas today, guys. And maybe for some of you, you are giving suggestions to someone, or they are giving you certain suggestions about certain things, but you are not willing to accept it. Or this person you love, they are telling you something, they are suggesting you something you need to follow, but you are not willing to accept their ideas, or you are not ready to accept their suggestions, guys. It may be regarding your career, or it may be regarding your personal life, something you need to change or something you need to correct. So you are not ready for that today. So that again may lead to some kind of a misunderstanding. So you are not ready to correct your mistakes, guys, maybe, or they are not ready to do that. You are suggesting someone, maybe it may be the person you love, or they are suggesting you. And I also see that some changes are happening in your life. Maybe for some of you, it may appear as something bad today, but these changes are necessary to bring out that positive potential in you, guys. That may be the reason. So we saw that I was talking about karma or destiny. So that may be the reason certain things are happening in your life today, guys, Sagittarius. So let's see what is the card for your relationship, guys. We have Three of Swords. So in this connection, we were speaking about something you need to correct. Maybe you are interested in someone else, or they are interested. There is a third party maybe involved, and you are facing troubles or worries because of that, because you cannot trust this person, or they feel they cannot trust you, and you both are moving away from each other, maybe for some of you guys. So that is what I see with these cards. Let's see what is the card for your career situation. We have King of Wands, guys. So you are a person who has some rigid ideas about certain things, and you have a particular way of dealing, doing certain things. Maybe you are honest and you make some truthful decisions, but people around you, they may think of you as a very severe and stubborn person, the way you decide or the way you act. So in your career also, people may see you as someone who is rigid, not willing to adjust to them. So that is the reading, guys, for you all Sagittarius for today. Thank you for watching, guys. Stay tuned for that fairy tale pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Sagittarius. For your fairy tale story, guys, we have two cards here. So if you are interested to watch this reading, you can just close your eyes, think about your situation, then open your eyes, choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card. This is your first card. So let's start the reading after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so I will start with this card first. So let's see what it is. The Rose Elf, Revelations. So for those who have chosen this card, the first card, guys, it just means that whatever truth, however hard you try, maybe you are trying to hide something, or this person you are in relationship with, they are trying to hide something, but truth will come out one day, maybe not today, but it will surely come out. So you can never hide truth. That is the basic meaning of this card, guys. And however hard you are suppressing it, you are hiding some secrets, or they are hiding some secrets from this person, or it may be something you did, some kind of unkindness or rude behavior or some kind of abuse you are facing. So though you are not revealing that, it may be from someone very close to you. So they are harming you in some way, or you are doing that to someone, but you can never suppress it for a long time, guys. It is going to come out someday, and justice will take its natural course. So you can never escape from the evil things or the bad things that happens. Maybe we are in the receiving end, but we are ready to forgive this person and move on, but still the things that have been done to us, someday it will come to the surface, and that person will get the results for the evil deed. So if we do something good, we will reap the good results, guys, but if we do something bad, we are going to reap the bad things. It is the natural law of the world. So though you are trying really hard to cover up with our actions, or try to hide those secrets, whatever it is going to come to surface. So maybe if you are seeing someone like that in your situation, maybe you see someone in troubles, in some worrying situation, you can give them hope and instill faith in their heart. So this fairy tale story is about that, guys. So we have to have faith and hope in the future, and justice will surely come to pass. That is the energy with this card, guys, for those who have chosen this card. And that is the reading with this card. So let's start with the second card. So let's see what is the story with the second card, guys. So we have the Frog Prince. So with this card, it just means that we are trying to close ourselves. Maybe we are afraid of intimacy, we are afraid of opening our heart to someone, and we are trying to avoid people or trying to avoid someone. But today we have to have that understanding that if we want a deep, meaningful connection, we should not be afraid to have that open heart to heart communication and that openness in our relationship, guys. So there is someone who is wishing to be in connection with you very deeply, but you are rejecting them, and you are not, maybe for some of you, you are rejecting someone, or for some of you, you are not keeping your word, keeping some promise. So it is time for you to keep up your word, guys. And maybe sometimes when we become too close to someone, we have that discomfort at the beginning because this person knows everything about us or will know everything about us. But it is time you share your feelings, affection, and be with that person if you want that deep, meaningful love, meaningful connection, guys. So that is what this card is about, guys. So the person who you feel is worthy for you is the right person. You can share your deep thoughts or whatever wishes and dreams you have for yourself with them. Only then you will be able to establish that beautiful relationship, guys. So that is the meaning with this card, guys. For those who have chosen the second card, that is your reading. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.